Hi everyone, my name is Kourtney Tye. I am the owner and baker of Kourt Kakes Bakery in Eastman, Georgia. This is my son Jet. He's going to help me today. We are making a cake for the Okmulgee Regional Library summer reading program, Imagine Your Story. We are going to make a white cake using Wilton's classic white cake recipe. You can find this recipe on wilton.com along with many other recipes. We are going to start with 3 cups of sifted cake flour. If you are like me and you don't have cake flour on hand, you can substitute with cornstarch. You remove 6 tablespoons of flour and replace it with 6 tablespoons of cornstarch. And Jet, you want to help me? Here you go. Hold this.
It's hard.
You just hold on to that, and I'm going to scoop it in there. There we go. Now, you squeeze the thing. Can you put your fingers right there? Squeeze it. And squeeze it fast. There you go. See, the flour's coming out.
It is.
Need some help?
I do.
All right, here.
It's hard to do.
Oh, your finger's stuck. There we go. All right, now we got the flour sifted. We're going to sift we need 1 tablespoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. This is your baking powder right here. Be careful, let's not spill it. All right, pour it in there. All right. Now we got a half teaspoon of salt. Carefully. Alright. There we go. Press that a little bit. Alright. That is our flour and baking powder and salt mixture. Now we're going to take our butter. We got 1 stick or half a cup of butter. And put it in our mixer. Then we got 1.5. Are you waving? Jet says hey. We got 1.5 cups of sugar that we're going to put into this bowl. Here. Pour it in there. There we go. There you go. Now we're going to put it in the mixer and let it beat for a couple minutes to get the sugar and the butter softened and mixed together. We're still letting the sugar and butter mix a little bit to get light and fluffy. Jet, how old were you when you started baking?
3.
You were 3 years old. You've been helping Mommy ever since, haven't you?
Yes, ma'am.
Stand up, please. What is your favorite thing to help Mommy bake? Everything. What's your favorite part?
Everything.
Is your favorite part baking it, decorating it, or eating it? Decorating and eating. That's my favorite part too. Alright, I think we're about done with that. Now we are going to add vanilla. We got...
Is this the vanilla?
1 teaspoon of vanilla. You gonna hand it to me? Pour it in there. Turn it back on.
Now,
Take our
do we need this
spatula and go around the side a little bit. Get off of the edges. Now we want to add the flour mixture. Alternate with milk and oil. So we got 3/4 cup of milk and a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Jake, you want to slide down some? That's last. Slide you down. All right.
Oh, wait.
We let that mix. Woo! Slowly. Then we want to pour a little bit of the milk. Here, can you help me pour it?
Yes, ma'am.
A little bit of milk. Alright, now we'll pour the rest of it in there. Make a little bit of a mess, that's okay.
What does it look like?
See it?
Okay. It looks puffy out.
It looks puffy. Sorry. Loosen some of this up so we make sure we get everything mixed in good. So as you can see at the top of the beater here, it's not as mixed in as the rest. Now we're going to take, here, stand up please. Stand up, Jet. 5 egg whites. And you blend them till they're, beat them until they're stiff but not dry. And I've already done that. So we're going to just pour the egg whites in here. Well, got the fluffiness.
That looks like it's an ingredient mountain place.
And we're gonna kind of mix it in here with the spatula. All right, we've got it all mixed up good now. The egg whites are folded in, and we're going to pour it. I have sprayed this pan. Make sure you spray your pan. You can use an 8-inch pan, which you would probably use about 2 8-inch pans, or like I'm using a 13 by 9-inch pan, I believe it is, or what bakers call a 4th sheet pan. Spread it out.
It's not gonna be a circle.
No, it's going to be a rectangle.
Instead of a circle?
Yeah.
Some cakes are circles.
Yeah. All right. Now we're going to put it in our oven that we have heated to 325. The recipe calls for 350. But my little trick, I bake almost everything on 325. And it comes out perfect. But it depends on your oven. If you feel like you need to adjust the temperature, go up or down, you do that. And we'll put this in the oven for about 30 minutes, and then we'll check it and go from there.